Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add date range in Asana. So this is pretty simple. First, scroll down and navigate to your project section and open your tutorial project. Now create a task. So this will be task 1. And here, in order to add a due date, due range date, you can go right here to due date section and click on it. And here add a due date. So let's say it will be 9th of August. So you can click on it right here. And you can even select a start date, which basically will be the range you want. So let's select today and simply click away. And now, as you can see, it has range from today to 9th August. So it is really this simple to add date range. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.